Dayforce allows employees to update direct deposit banking information through Employee Self-Service, ESS. The process is usually done via the web portal. Mobile app support is limited for direct deposit changes in many configurations. Changes may take 1 to 2 pay cycles to become active, and you might receive a paper check during transition. Here's how to do it. Log into your company's Dayforce portal, URL provided by your employer, for example, yourcompany.dayforcehcm.com. Use your username, often first name, last name, or employee ID and password. If you forgot login details, contact your manager or HR. Once logged in, go to Profile and Settings, usually under your name and role or in the main menu or hub. Click Forms or My Forms. Under the Personal section, select Direct Deposit or Direct Deposit Information. Complete or edit the form. Add a new bank account. Enter routing number, account type, checking or savings. Edit existing accounts. Update details or amounts. Set deposit type, remainder or full amount, percentage, or fixed amount. Use move up and down to prioritize accounts. Last one should be remainder, if multiple. Review and submit the form. Your HR or payroll team reviews and approves. May take 24 to 48 hours in some setups.